Who do you trust with your vehicle? Now let me introduce us. We are Loudon Motor Cars, the premier Porsche, BMW, and Mercedes repair facility in DFW. Founded in 1977, we have been serving and earning our customers' trust for over 40 years. But what sets us apart? Why should you bring your vehicle to us? Could it be our over 40 years of A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? How about being voted Best in Dallas 3 times in D Magazine and a multiple recipient of the Angie's List Super Service Award? Or perhaps our ASE Master Certified Technicians with over 50 combined years of experience. I mean, we have on-site detailing to complement our repairs, on-site Hertz rental vehicles at a discounted rate, or we can even call an Uber if you like. Did I mention we were the first ASE Blue Seal facility in Dallas, Texas? However, all of these accolades fail to describe the main reason you should trust us. What really sets us apart?
We care.
We care.
I care.
I care.
We care.
We care.
From the moment you walk in and meet our friendly staff, it's clear we actually care about you and your vehicle. All of our work is backed by our 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty, so the next time your vehicle needs anything from an oil service, brakes, or repairs, we would love an opportunity to earn your business.